Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Stocks, and today I'm going to talk about Neogen Chemicals. What lies ahead for this company and how are the numbers shaping up. So let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation and people taking any position to any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about Neogen Chemicals, here's a small request. Kindly support me on Patreon, and once you do that, it will help me grow the channel. Help you also ask me questions and ink out answers in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership, you will have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and number of podcasts I put up from time to time. And also, if you can pay $100 upfront, you get 1 year access by paying for 10 months, so that's a 20% discount. For detailed market or company talk or number of stocks you're holding, you can directly email me and we can work things out with a fee. Now about the company, Neogen Chemicals was established in 1993, and they produce bromine-based chemical compounds. Different products include organic bromide compounds, specialty chloro compounds, advanced intermediaries, Grignard reagents, lithium salts, etc. Usage of these products are in industries such as tires, defense, electronics, pipes, etc. So you would understand that as raw material prices have shot up, their prices have also shot up a great deal. The market cap of the company is around 3400 crores. In terms of financials, these are Q4 numbers. So sales went up by something like 70% in this quarter. These are March quarter numbers that I'm talking about. And you had the profit grew by around 72%. Debt has increased slightly, but that is more or less due to just higher interest payments because of their some sort of expansion that they ended up doing in this financial year. They are decent promoter and institutional holding with only 9% free float. Return on equity of 15% is pretty decent, and margins at 18% is quite good in this industry. In terms of stock performance, stock has tripled in the last 3 years, has performed very well from 2019-20 onwards. China emission bans has also helped. It has helped a great deal for all companies in the, you can say, in the divisions where they provide different sorts of chemicals for industries, have been consolidating for a while in this range, that current range of price. But it's currently trading at 50 times FY22 EPS, FY23 EPS. So this is 1 year forward EPS, which I believe is slightly expensive. So may just continue to consolidate. But bromide intermediaries are in demand in different industries because the demand is picking up. If you understand, I think demand in the auto industry will pick up going forward. So tires will be there, pipes, etc. from October, November onwards. I'm pretty sure that construction ancillary companies will be in focus. So in that regard, bromide intermediaries will be required. So it may consolidate for a while before the next surge take place. So these are good levels to probably accumulate. In terms of technicals, around 1200 1150 is a good support level. On any declines to 1200 1220, it can be bought. Long term stop loss can be kept around 1000 if you buy, so you can probably buy in this region of 1200 1250 and keep a deeper stop loss of 1000 from a 3 year point of view. It can be accumulated and one can get very decent returns. I won't be surprised if it is trading at 2000 plus levels in the next 2.5 3 years. Major up move is expected above 1600. If somebody wants to trade in the stock, then they need to wait for a major up move from 1600 levels. Remember that valuations are still stretched even after the decline, so there could be a chance that the stock will immediately move up, but that all depends on the June quarter numbers, whatever it comes out with. So in my opinion, I would avoid at the moment and wait for the June quarter numbers. But if you have it, then you can definitely hold on to it with a 1100 stop loss. If you have to buy, then probably buy around 1200 1250. Keep a deeper stop loss of 1000 and have a 3 year point of view on it should give decent returns. But I think consumer centric stocks, the way they have fallen 50-60%, some even the best of the stocks have fallen 30-40%, they look much better from a 3 year time frame than these chemical stocks. Remember that the chemical sector per se has done extremely well for the last 6-7 years. So there has to come a time where they would get into deeper consolidation. Maybe this is the time where they'll do that. So be ready for volatile moves in here, because the major up move has already taken place. So this was my video on the stock. Please like and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so you get my videos straight away when I post it. You can kindly support me on Patreon. Thanks a lot for watching.